Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Airtm to Gcash quickly and easily. First of all, go to your Airtm dashboard. On the left, click on the withdraw option. This allows us to transfer funds out of Airtm. Next, in the withdrawal options, select Gcash as your destination. Make sure you have your Gcash account details ready. Enter the amount you would like to transfer and double check the conversation rate and any fees listed below. Once you are ready, click next and enter your Gcash account number to confirm. Finally, click on confirm withdrawal and wait for Airtime to process your request. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from Airtime to your Gcash account. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.